I don't have to do that.
This is supper.
Hey, what's up everybody? Headed over to Forest Bend. Got to get some stuff done today. And I wanted to catch up on a little bit about what's going on, or has been going on lately. We had an awesome paint party the other day, and thank you so much to all of our friends that stopped by and helped out. It made a huge difference. I think we got at least 90% of the drywall, sheetrock type painting done, and that's where I'm headed right now, over to finish up. Just do a little bit in the hall and a couple spots in bedrooms and that kind of thing. But otherwise, I mean, you know, drywall paint is done. There's a little bit more to do on trim around windows and doors. There's a bunch of trim that we took out that we'll have to replace and then paint once we get to that. But we also had 17 out of 70 something boxes of flooring delivered, and we are expecting some more of it, maybe the rest of it, to be delivered in the next day or two. So that'd be good. And so also another thing, the tractor has been doing amazingly, and I'm about halfway, a little over halfway through filling the pit with dirt from piles that were already there, so that's good. But I'm working it pretty hard, and so one of my hydraulic lines to the power steering is broken and leaking, and so went and ordered a new part today, so that should be here in about 2 days, I think, which is great. And harder to find stuff for those older tractors. It was a 1966, or is a 1966 tractor, and so but the John Deere dealer here in town was awesome and helped me figure out what exactly I needed. I thought I had a good idea, but you never know for sure. So they helped me with that one. And then also ordered a new front tire for the tractor, because one of them was new, the other one was a little bit older, so that older one is kind of cracking some, and it's still going and holding there, but I just wanted to make sure I had a spare, because at some point it'll go. So I just pulled up. I'm gonna go do some painting. I'll show you that, and then also show you working on that hydraulic line a little bit if I can get to it. So thanks for being here, and let's get to work. I'm here in the hallway at the handprint wall. So there were lots of handprints here on the wall, and I'm gonna put some primer over this. Looks like there's some hearts and other things drawn on here as well. So we gotta cover this up with the primer, and I didn't want to dirty up a whole roller for this wall, even though this is not the smallest space for this brush, but I'm just gonna do this part here with some primer and make it happen. Here we go. Hopefully there's enough light left to paint in the bedroom. I'm sure there is. There's about 2 hours of daylight left, so. Gonna start putting some creamy mushroom up on the wall. I don't like mushrooms, but the paint color is pleasant. Here we go. Painting the ceiling. What are you doing?
Trying not to die.
Oh man, please don't die.
Oh, I am
Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
attempting to get this. So this is all this is off. Just Dad, all this is off, okay?
Mom?
Mom, here's my pen, okay? Nothing. Oh. Okay, nothing. So this line is what goes to the well head.
Which is out. Just out of sight.
Just out of sight. And they had this, janky wire that was, you've seen before. So I disconnected that. This wire that still goes underground to the wellhead should still be good. I mean, I think my assumption is they set it up as a temporary test 15 years ago and just never wired it permanently. I don't know why, but
weirdos.
We're gonna get it figured out.
For all of those of you who don't hablo español, in Colorado, snow is a 4-letter word, especially right now. Because you know what? What's today?
May 29th. No, April 29th.
And in 2 days,
it'll be May.
It's gonna be May.
Oh, baby.
That's different. Okay. Having a hard time finding tools. So, overkill, you say? I don't think so. It's hard to do with one hand, though. No, that one will not work. It's too small. Go big or go home. Oh, here we go. One-handed. Oh, that's okay. That's enough of that. I pretty much guaranteed that it would snow today because I washed the Jeep. Look how pretty it is. And it's snowing. You can probably see the snow forming on the top of the vehicles. Oh, April 29. It won't stick around much. It's just depressing. Brrr. You know what the problem with painting in the dark is, right? It's you can't see jack. Ooh. And here we go. See what you can see. You can't even see it. You and me go painting in the dark, slapping on the paint. By feel. Something rhymes with dark. Woo, baby, get ready. Force spin. You're in the snow.
This is awesome!
It's tractor time. Time to work on the tractor. We are out in the barn. Oh, I'm so happy that we have a barn because it's snowing right now. And here with the John Deere 2020. And I gotta fix this hydraulic line right here. Okay, so it's leaking from right here. So just so you can see, I'm gonna crank it up. This part of it is broken, and I ordered a new part, so I gotta get this part off. It's the yellow one. Kind of turns into a gray, but it goes to there, yellow, and it comes back there. I don't know if you can see it, but right in there. So that is what I have to get off. So here we go. I measured this. Let's see if I measured correctly. It's one of these. Oh yeah, okay. So lefty-loosey. Let's do like this first. Got the bucket underneath it. Oh, hey! Oh, it actually came undone. Can you see that? Oh, I thought that was gonna be extremely hard. It was not easy, but look how long. See, that's pretty long. Some are longer than others. Check that out. Okay. All right. I hope you like your vantage point here, way up under the tractor. So here comes the rear link. So let's see if, oh yes! So excited. Love it when mechanical things work out. This technically is a situation that was not working out, but the fix is working out. This is great. Okay, now for the last one. And I've already undone this one, so I know it's not too hard. There we go. All right, so what I have ended up doing is removing this step, which I'm pretty sure will work, but I just gotta actually get it out of the way. Whew, look at that. Out of the way, actually. Oh, there we go. Now here's that line that I was telling you about. So right there, yellow kind of continues up that way. Sweet success. Oh man. Now we can get the new one in there also. Here we go. See that? See how it's like bent a little bit right there? There's a little crack right there. And so when you're under like 2,000-3,000 PSI, oil is gonna come out. So we got another part, it'll be here in a day or two. We'll put it in, be good to go. All right, that's all for tonight. I am done. Thank you for joining me today.
Yeah, man. Sorry I scared you.
I am glad I didn't shoot you. That would have been bad.
It's always reassuring when you walk into a room and someone's putting away their gun.
Got it. Hey, can't be too careful. I was not expecting you. Mm-hmm. You need a herald to announce your presence.
Oh, I did say hello.
El Patricio! and then I would know.
We should record that and then I'll play that every time.
Oh, that's a good idea. Mm-hmm. What were you doing today?
I was doing electrical in the snow.
Snow. No!
Winter is coming.
It's here. And I was finishing up doing some painting and stuff.
Eating. I'm sorry. I'll stop eating shit.
Hey, that's the mother and me. Oh, well, got some more stuff going tomorrow. And electrician is coming tomorrow. Mm-hmm. That is bueno.
He's taking our money.
Mm-hmm. And flooring, the rest of the flooring is going to be delivered on
Wednesday.
Yeah, a couple days. Right on. Well, we're making progress, dude.
We're really close. It looks good, actually.
Thank you, everyone, for subscribing.
Yes.
Mom and Dad. You have to push the button that says subscribe.
Thanks.
If you haven't already done that. Anyway, but yeah, that way you get all of our little updates.
Yeah, and we get paid pennies.
No,
nothing. No, maybe.
No. One day. All right, we'll see you soon.
See ya.